Let's talk branding. Building your brand isn't rocket science, but it does need a plan. Think of your brand as your business's personality. You need to make it stand out, be memorable, and resonate with your audience. Here's how to nail it step by step. 1. Define your brand's mission and values. First things first, what's your brand all about? Ask yourself, what do I stand for? Your brand's mission is its reason for being. It's what drives you. Your values are the beliefs and principles that guide your actions. Tip: keep your mission simple and clear. Avoid jargon. Make it something your audience can relate to. 2. Know your audience. You need to know who you're talking to. It's not everyone. Narrow it down. Create a detailed profile of your ideal customer. What are their interests? What problems do they need solving? Tailoring your message to your audience builds a strong connection. Tip: use social media polls or surveys. Direct feedback helps understand what they want. 3. Pick your unique selling proposition, USP. Your USP is what makes you different. It's what makes you special in a crowded market. What do you offer that others don't? Highlight that. Be bold about what makes you unique. One example of a popular USP is Nike's Just Do It. Nike's USP is all about empowering athletes to push their limits, regardless of their skill level. It sets Nike apart by focusing on motivation and the belief that everyone can be an athlete. This simple message connects deeply with their audience, inspiring them to take action and choose Nike as their partner in that journey. 4. Craft your brand voice. How you talk matters. Are you formal or casual? Funny or serious? Your brand's voice should reflect your values and connect with your target audience. Consistency in your tone helps build trust. Tip: think of your brand as a person. How would they talk? Use that tone in all your content. 5. Create a visual identity. Now, it's time for the visuals. Your logo, color scheme, and typography need to represent your brand's personality. Colors evoke emotions. Pick ones that match your vibe. Tip: hire a designer or use online tools to create a professional logo. Make sure it looks good on various platforms, website, social media, print. 6. Build your online presence. You can't ignore the internet. Set up a website, create social media profiles, and be active. Your website should showcase your products, mission, and values. Make it easy for people to understand who you are and what you offer. Tip: use a simple, clean design for your website. Include an About Us page that tells your brand story. 7. Create valuable content. Content is key. Blogs, videos, podcasts. Pick what fits your brand. Share tips, tricks, or stories that align with your brand's mission. This builds authority and trust with your audience. Tip: share content that solves problems for your audience. Free value creates loyal followers. 8. Be consistent. Consistency is the glue that holds your brand together. Use the same tone, logo, and colors everywhere. From your website to your social media, keep it uniform. A consistent brand looks more professional and trustworthy. Tip: create brand guidelines. Include rules for logo use, color codes, fonts, and tone of voice. 9. Engage with your audience. Branding isn't just about looks, it's about relationships. Reply to comments, messages, and reviews. Show that you care. People remember how you make them feel. Tip: run Q&A sessions, host giveaways, or create polls. Interaction boosts brand loyalty. 10. Monitor your brand. Pay attention to what people say about your brand. Use tools like Google Alerts or social media analytics to track mentions. Adjust your strategy based on feedback and market trends. Tip: don't ignore criticism. Use it as an opportunity to improve and show your brand's commitment to customer satisfaction. Now it's time to wrap up. Building your brand is about telling your story and being true to it. Define your mission, know your audience, and stay consistent in everything you do. Engage, provide value, and watch your brand grow. It takes time, but each step is a brick in your brand's foundation. Remember, your brand is more than a logo. It's an experience. Make it unforgettable. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving us a thumbs up and leaving a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more digital marketing tips.